Meaning of girly.
girlie,
Girly.
girly,
Girly. The term girly refers to something that is associated with or characteristic of girls, particularly in a stereotypical or demeaning way. The term is often used to describe things that are considered frivolous or shallow, such as girly magazines, girly drinks, or girly clothes. It can also be used in a condescending manner to refer to women who are seen as too feminine or weak. However, it is important to note that the use of the term girly can perpetuate harmful gender stereotypes and should be used with caution.